Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Anno 117 Pax Romana gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Once your system restarts, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Now go to the library section, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and then select. From here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back here, you have to select disable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager, but before that you have to connect your PC and controller. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify your game files. Once done, check if the controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. So here you will be able to see the update option if there is any, and after updating your game to the latest version, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will search if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to set the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Now here your gamepad or controller will be added. You have to simply click on three dot icon and click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. After you restart your PC, again come back and here you have to click on add a device. Now click on everything else and then connect your controller or add your controller or gamepad here, and after that check if it's working or not. If not, then next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser or simply search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now after the website opens, click on download option. Now this will take you to the next page. From here you have to download the DS4 Windows tool. Once the tool is downloaded, you have to install it and then connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game once again and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So by these methods, you can easily fix gamepad or controller not working on Anno 117 Pax Romana game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.